Hello students, today we are going to study the exercise or the NCERT book solution of class 6 chapter 1 food, where does it come from? So first question in this exercise is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? So here is your answer that no, different animals eat different kinds of food as per their body structure and internal organs. Depending on the kind of food they eat, animals are divided into three basic categories. First is herbivores. So animals which feed on plants and plant products are called herbivores. The example of herbivores are cow, goat, elephant, deer, etc. The next category is carnivores. So animals which feed on other animals are called carnivorous. The example of carnivores are lion, tiger, fox, etc. The next category is omnivores. So the animals which feed on both plants and animals are called omnivorous. The example of omnivorous animal are crow, cat, dog, etc. The next question is, name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. So first is apple. So we are using apple, and apple is the fruit of its plant. The next is mango. It is also a fruit. Next example is potato. So it's a stem. Next is carrot. So it's a root. Spinach. So it is a leaf of the plant. Next wheat. It's a seed. And next is cauliflower. So cauliflower is the example of flower that we are eating. The next question is, match the items given in column A with the column B. So in column first A, milk, curd, paneer or ghee. So here is the answer is given to you. These are the animal products. We are getting milk, curd, paneer and ghee as the animal products. Next is spinach, cauliflower and carrots. So these are the vegetables. Next is lions and tigers. So they eat other animals. Next is herbivores. So they eat plants and plants products. The next question is, fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. So first blank is, tiger is a blank because it eats only meat. So tiger is carnivore because it eats only meat. Next is, deer eats only plant products, so it is called blank. So deer is called the herbivore. Next is, parrot eats only blank products. So parrot eats only plant products. Then last one is, the blank that we drink which comes from cow, buffaloes and goat is an animal product. So the milk that we drink which comes from cows, buffalo and goats is an animal product. The last blank is, we eat sugar from sugar cane. So now here at the end of this chapter, some question on which we have to think about. That questions are given here. So first question is, does everyone around you get enough food to eat? And if not, then why they are not getting? So it might be possible that everyone around you does not get enough food to eat. The reasons may be like that the cities are expanding and farming land is decreasing day by day, due to which enough food cannot be produced. The other reason might also be possible that poor people cannot buy enough food, or due to improper storage facility, a huge amount of agricultural produce rots or they are decaying. Next reason, it is possible that transportation facilities are not adequate. That's why some of the people are not getting enough food. The next question is that what are the ways we can think of to avoid the wastage of food? So you can take the steps like you should cook food as per the requirement, or fruits and vegetables should be consumed within a particular time after purchasing. We must keep a check that they are not wasted. Then we should take proper care of stored grains in our house so that they do not get spoiled. So now we will see some extra exercise for this chapter. In that question 1, choose the correct answer. First, in that, the people of which state generally have rice, roti, dal and vegetables in their food? Option A, Gujarat, B, Rajasthan, C, West Bengal and D, Uttar Pradesh. So your answer will be A, Gujarat. The next question, what ingredients are necessary for cooking rice? Option A, rice and pulses, B, rice and water, C, wheat and water, D, rice and salt. So your answer will be option B, rice and water. The next question is 3. Which of the following is the plant product? A, honey, B, ghee, C, mustard or D, milk. So your answer will be C, mustard. Rest of the are the animal products. The next question 4. Which of the following is an animal product? So A, pulses, B, common salt, C, spices or D, butter. So your answer will be D, butter. The next question 5 is, which of the following is neither a plant product nor an animal product? A, sugar, B, common salt, C, honey or D, chili. So your answer will be B, common salt. The next is, from where do we get vegetables and fruits? So option A, animals, B, plants, C, plants and animals and D, all the above. So your answer will be B, plants. The next is, which part of a carrot plant do we eat? A, root, B, stem, C, leaf or D, flower. So your answer will be A, root. The next is, which part of a potato plant do we eat? A, root, B, stem, C, leaf or D, flower. So your answer will be B, stem. Next is, which of the following is not a milk product? A, curd, B, butter, C, cheese or D, chicken curry. So your answer will be D, chicken curry. The next is, to which of the following categories does a cow belong? A, herbivore, B, carnivore, C, omnivore or D, all of these. So your answer will be A, herbivore. Next is, to which of the following category does human belong? A, herbivore, B, carnivore, C, omnivore or D, none of these. So your answer will be C, omnivore. The next question, number 12. To which of the following category does a lizard belong? A, herbivore, B, carnivore, C, omnivore or D, none of these. Your answer is B, carnivore. Next question, question 2 is, fill in the blanks. First blank in that, spices are blank products. So spices are plant product. Your answer is plant. Next question 2 is, honey is a or an blank product. So honey is a animal product. Your answer is animal. Next, third number, blank and blank are produced from sugarcane. So sugar and jaggery are produced from the sugarcane. Sugar and jaggery is your answer. Next, fourth number, blank and blank are obtained from hen. So eggs and chicken are obtained from the hen. So your answer is egg and chicken. The next, fifth number, honeybees collect blank from flowers. So your answer is nectar. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers. Next 6 number, a rabbit eats only plant products and hence it is called a blank. So rabbit eats only plant products and hence it is called a herbivore. Your answer is herbivore. Next is oil is extracted from the blank seeds and its leaves are also eaten as the vegetable. So your answer is mustard. Oil is extracted from mustard seeds and its leaves are also be eaten as the vegetable. So here the answers of the fill in the blanks is given. You can check your answer from here. So next question, question 3 is give only answers to the following questions or one word answer. So first question is from the flour of which grain is chapati made? So your answer will be wheat. From the wheat flour we are making the chapatis. Next, from which grain is idli made? So your answer is rice. Third question, what is the main ingredient of dal that we eat with rice? So main ingredient of dal is pulses. Next question, 4 number. Name 2 animals that gives us egg. So duck and hen give us eggs. Next 5th number, from what does honey bee prepare honey? So from nectar honey bees prepare honey. So nectar is your answer. Next 6th number, to which category does a deer belong on the basis of its eating habits? So deer is the herbivore. So your answer is herbivores. The next is to which category does a snake belong on the basis of its eating habits? So snake is the carnivore. So carnivore is your answer. Next question, to which category does a cat belong on the basis of its eating habit? So cat is the omnivore. Next 9 number. Which 2 ingredients of our food are neither a plant product nor an animal product? So common salt and water, that is your answer. These 2 ingredients of our food are neither a plant product nor a animal product. So common salt and water is your answer. Next is name 2 green leafy vegetables. Number 10. So your answer is spinach and lettuce. That are the leafy vegetables. 11 number, name 4 cereals that we eat. So name of the cereals. The answer of the 11 number is wheat, millet, corn and jowar. The next 12 number, name 4 pulses that we eat. So your answer is arhar, moong, black gram and peas. That are the pulses. 13 number, name 4 edibles that are used as spices. So chili, turmeric, asafoetida and coriander. That are the spices that we use. Next 14 number, name 4 animals products that we eat. So fish, chicken, meat and egg that we eat as the animal product. Number 15. Name 4 plants whose seeds are used to extract oil. So the answer is groundnut, sesame, mustard and soya bean. That we are extracting oil from these seeds. The answer of this fill in the blank is answer in the one word question is given here. The next question, that is true false. Question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. First number, only 2 ingredients are used for making boiled rice. So the answer is true. Water and rice we are using as the ingredients to make the boiled rice. Next is more than 2 ingredients are used for making dal. So yes, it is also true. The next is common salt is a plant product. So answer will be false. Common salt is neither a plant product nor a animal product. Number 4. Oil is an animal product. So your answer will be false. We are getting the oil from the seeds. So hence it is the plant product. Number 5. Cabbage that we eat is the leaf of cabbage plant. So yes, it is true. So answer will be true. Next 6 number, the leaves, stems, roots and flowers of different plants are not used as a food. So answer is false. We are using all these parts of the plant as our food. Next is 7 number, oil is extracted from the leaves of mustard plant. So your answer will be false. We are extracting oil from the seeds of the mustard plant. Next 8 number. More than one part of banana tree can be eaten. So yes, your answer is true. Next is pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste can be fried and eaten. So yes, your answer is true. The next is deer is an omnivore. So your answer is false. Deer is the herbivorous animal. Here the answer of your true false is shown. You can check your answer from here. Next is question 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. In that first question, what are the main sources of our food? So, the main source of our food are animals and plants. The next question, from what do animals get energy? So, animals get energy from food. Number 3, the staple food of the people of which state of India is fish and rice. That means main food. So, fish and rice is the staple food of the people of West Bengal. The next 4 number. Which vegetables can be eaten raw? So, that means you can directly eat the vegetables. Which type of vegetables? So, tomato, carrot, radish, beetroot, cucumber, etc. can be eaten raw. Next 5th number. What are the necessary ingredients required for preparing boiled rice? So, rice and water are the necessary ingredients required for preparing boiled rice. The next 6 number. Which method of cooking is used for preparing rice? So, boiling is used for preparing rice. Next 7 number. What are the necessary ingredients required for making chapati or roti? So flour or atta you can say and water are the necessary ingredients required for making chapati or roti. The next is name 2 food items which is made from more than 2 ingredients. So vegetable curry and dal are food items which require more than 2 ingredients. 9 number. What food items do we eat from plants? So we eat cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, etc. from plants. 10 number then. What food items do we get from animals? So we get milk, eggs, meat, fish, honey, etc. from animals. Next 11 number is which milk products do we use in our food? So curd, buttermilk, butter, cheese, cream, paneer and ghee are milk products that we use in our food. Next, 12 number, name 3 animals that provide us milk. So cow, buffalo and goat provide us milk. Number 13, name 4 herbivores. So deer, rabbit, camel and elephant are herbivores. Next, 14 number. Name 4 carnivores. So lion, tiger, leopard and wolf are carnivores. Number 15. Name 4 omnivores. So human, bear, cat and dog are omnivores. So here our short question answers are over. Now next question, that is question 6. Define the following. In that first one, herbivores. So animals that eat only plants and plant products are called herbivores. The next definition is carnivores. So animals that eat other animals or animal products are called carnivores. Number 3, omnivores. So animals that eat both plants as well as animal products are called omnivores. So next question now, that is difference between the herbivorous and carnivorous. So first in the herbivorous column, herbivores eat only plants and plant products, whereas carnivores eat only animals and animal products. Now example of herbivorous. So cow, camel, rabbit, giraffe, etc. are herbivorous. And in carnivorous, lion, tiger, eagle, vulture, etc. are the carnivorous. The next question, question number 8, that is classify the following. So in that first classification, classify the following animals into herbivorous and carnivorous. So the name of the animals are lizard, chameleon, crocodile, elephant, pigeon, monkey, lion, eagle, deer, leopard, camel, goat, frog and rat. So first lizard. So lizard will come into the carnivorous. Then chameleon. It is also in the carnivorous. Then crocodile. It is also carnivore animal. Then elephant. So elephant is the herbivore. The next is pigeon. Pigeon is also herbivore. Next is monkey. So monkey is also herbivore animal. Then lion. So lion is the carnivore animal. Next is eagle. So eagle is also carnivore animal. Next is deer. So deer is the herbivore animal. Next is leopard. So it will come in carnivore. Next is camel. So it is the herbivores. Goat also herbivore. Then frog. So it will come into the carnivores. And then rat. So rat is in the herbivorous animal. Next, second number. Classify the following animals into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. The name of the animals is given here. House lizard, squirrel, rabbit, human, giraffe, deer, mouse, vulture, cat, sparrow, tiger, lion and dog. So first house lizard. So it will come into the carnivores. The next is squirrel. So it will come into the herbivores. The next is rabbit. So it will also come into the herbivores. The next is human. So it will come into the omnivores. Next is giraffe. So it will come into the category of herbivores. The next is bear. So it is the omnivore animal. Next is moth. So it will come into the herbivores. Next is vulture. So vulture is the carnivore animal. Next is cat. So it is the omnivore. Sparrow, it is the herbivore. Tiger, carnivore. Lion, also carnivore. And dog will come into the omnivores. So here the answer of the herbivores is given. Next here the answer of carnivores and omnivore is given. The next question is question number 9. Match the given item with column A with column B. So first is wheat, millet and corn. So these are the cereals. So first will come with D. The next is cardamom, clove and pepper. So it is the spices. So it will come with C. The next is moong, arhar and gram. So it will come with the pulses A. The next is milk, rice and sugar. These are the ingredients of kheer. So it will come with B. Here the answer of this matching is given to you. So here our exercise for this chapter gets over. Now in the next video we will see the next chapter. Thank you.